ago, we need here to dream. And not so long ago, we need here to take the first essential step towards the fulfillment of my elementary education. Today, together with my classmates, we celebrate our success after all these years of hardship, struggle, and perseverance. We reminisce the challenges that stood before us, and we savor the victory that came in our hands. To our distinguished guest, Dr. Reynaldo D. Ascaraga, Public Schools District Supervisor of Mambuto S. Ms. Janet Simpson Ledesma, Teacher in charge of Pampang Norte Elementary School. Ms. Rachel Gihavedra, Teacher in charge of Bachano Elementary School. Barangay Council, headed by Honorable Joel L. Gaspar Sr. Beloved parents, friends, fellow graduates, teaching staff of this school, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. When I started coming to school, I always dreamed of being the best. So I strive hard to be on top of the class, but I failed. Despite of this, I continue to study hard to reach my goal and inspire to do better. Standing here in front of you, I have this feeling of pride and happiness because I have proven to myself that I can be the best of what I am only if I will strive hard and the sense of determination and perseverance. I am also happy because all my efforts and sacrifices were being paid off. The team, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Young as I am today, I can say that failures and trials should not be the reason for us to give up and never try to do something. Rather, let us serve them and aspirations to the better. These medals I have today are the fruit of my labor, and I know that I could be less best if not because of Mama and Papa who are always there to guide me. Ma, Pa, damo niya salamat to my teacher for their insurmountable dedication and patience in teaching us. Mom and sirs, I learned a lot of things from you which I will value as I continue getting through my dreams. To my fellow graduates, we ended up to wonder chapter of our lives and a new one will begin. New adventures, new friendships, new shares of struggle, but with the things that we learned from Bergante Elementary School, let's keep boldly stepping toward the fulfillment of our dreams and aspirations. Along the way, we may meet at trials, but our burning desire to reach our goals will keep us from straying or giving up. Along the way, were many uncertainties, but certain truths of life show us the right path to take. Fellow graduates, please stand. Let us thank God for His unceasing grace and guidance, our teachers for their immeasurable dedication, our parents for their unconditional support all throughout these years, and our friends who walk along with us side by side. Because of them, we were able to reach this endeavor. Because of them, we can truly say, we made it. Let's clap our hands for all of them. Congratulations, fellow graduates. Thank you and mabuhay.
Thank you so much, Clarice Joy. And now, the kindergarten completers will now sing the Moving Up song. A warm round of applause, please.